Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Tables within Reports in Project differ from tables in other Office applications like Word in that you cannot manually add information to them. They only show information you choose from the project file. They use a data source much like a chart does. To add custom text to a report instead, insert a text box or shape to which you can then add text. To select a table in a report, click the table. When a table is selected, it appears with a border surrounding it. The Field List task pane also appears at the right side of the window, as well as the Design and Layout tabs of the Table Tools Contextual tab in the ribbon. To deselect a report table, click into the blank area of the report. To move a table, click the border of the table any place where there is not a white resizing handle. Then drag and drop the table to a new location. To resize a table, place your mouse pointer over one of the white resizing handles on the border that corresponds to the direction in which you want to resize the table. Then click and drag until the table is the desired size. Then release the mouse button to resize the table. To resize the columns in a table to accommodate the width of their entries, click and drag the right border of the column whose width you want to adjust to the left or right. To decrease or increase the row height, click and drag the row borders between the rows of the table up and down. To automatically adjust the width of a column to fit its widest entry, double-click the right column border to automatically widen or shorten the column. This is useful for adjusting the width of the rightmost column in a table, which can otherwise be difficult to adjust due to its proximity to the right border of the entire table. To change the data shown in a table, select the table and then use the Field List pane that appears at the right side of the application window. To choose which set of fields to display in the Select Fields section of the pane, select either the Tasks or Resources category command at the top of the pane. To choose which fields to show in the columns of the table, check the checkboxes next to the names of the fields in the Select Fields section of the task pane. To remove fields from the columns in the table, uncheck the checkboxes next to the names of the fields you want to remove. Fields shown in the table also appear in a list at the bottom of the Select Fields section. The order they appear in this list, from top to bottom, is the order they appear in the table, from left to right. To change the order in which they appear in the table, click and drag the field names up or down within this list. At the bottom of the task pane, sorting and grouping options appear for the category selected above. To apply a filter to the selected task or resource fields, make a choice from the filter drop-down. To create a grouping of those fields by type, if desired, use the Group By drop-down. To select which level of detail of tasks you want to show, use the Outline Level drop-down. To display the hierarchy of tasks if desired, check the Show Hierarchy checkbox. To select a sorting order for the data within the table, use the Sort By drop-down.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.